Hello, I'm Rabbi Elton from the Great Synagogue in Sydney, and welcome to this edition of Ask the Rabbi. I'm very happy to receive my first question, and it's this. What is the meaning and significance of Baruch Hashem, BzH, BzH, Bet. I've heard them and hear them used a lot, but I don't really know what they mean or how to use them. Well, this is a great question, particularly because I think there's some confusion about how these terms are to be used and what they actually mean. Baruch Hashem means blessed be God, and it's usually used when you're reporting or talking about some happy event. For example, I won the lottery, Baruch Hashem. And that's sometimes abbreviated to BzH or BzH. However, when you see BzH at the top of a letter or in the document, it doesn't stand for Baruch Hashem at all. It stands for Bezrat Hashem, with the help of heaven. And while Baruch Hashem refers to a past event, Bezrat Hashem refers to a future event. So you could say, I have a job interview next week, Bezrat Hashem, I'll get the job. Or, we're going on holiday next week, Bezrat Hashem, the flight won't be cancelled. Besiyata Dishmaya, Beit Samach Daled, is another way of saying Bezrat Hashem. It means with the help of heaven. So you can see some documents with BH or BzH at the top, and sometimes it says Bet Samach Daled at the top. But those two terms are interchangeable. One is more Hebrew and the other is more Aramaic. And so, just to recap, a past event you would say in gratitude, Baruch Hashem, but a future event you would say in anticipation of divine help, Bezrat Hashem or Besiyata Dishmaya, with the help of God or with the help of heaven. Thanks for joining, and don't forget to send in your new questions.